So I'm here today with Chef Nick, and you're going to tell us about your galang sauce. Yeah.
Your order plain sauce, Galangal sauce. This is original. It's Galangal sauce is from north of Thailand. It's dry Galangal and then with the chili and dry chili. And I've been thinking so all year long. So I want to do something like Galangal sauce, but it's suitable to make a curry, to marinate, and to make a dip, or can do any tom yum, tom kha things.
So it's a good all-round sauce.
Yeah. So I come up with this all the ingredient together, and I add it up all the herbs, lemongrass, galangal, onion, garlic, kaffir lime leaf, also the herbs basil things and get balance in that. And so it's come up very good, and then everyone touching 600 jar just in Facebook. It's going well from that. And then we can put it in a factory. We're going to put it in a factory and then in Europe and then in Thailand.
So you were saying that you've sold more than 2,000 bottles?
Yeah, since Christmas I sold just from Facebook 2,600 jar.
Wow, that's a lot.
Yeah.
So are most of the dishes here made with galang sauce?
Yeah, it's just all Galangal sauce, the foundation, the base of
It's the base of most of the dishes?
Yeah, it's linked with everything, all the foundation there. Because Galangal sauce is have the basic foundation of the Thai food.
Okay. Yes. So will you be selling that sauce to the customers?
Yeah, we will sell the sauce for the customer, and we will be on a maybe future in the supermarket. Near your home.
Okay, that sounds good. So we're here once again at Flying Elephant, is that correct?
Yeah, it's a Flying Elephant in Telford shopping centre.
So it's located at Unit 14, Southwater Square, Telford.
We'll be here for you.